Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered why decimal numbers seems to be so complicated? Why is 3.24 plus 56.1 not 8.85? Or better saying, why is 3 and 24 hundredths plus 56 and 1/10 not 8 and 85 hundredths? Can you describe what a decimal number is? In this video, we're going to show you almost all about decimals. You will learn what you need to be successful with decimals. First things first, to work with decimals, we should know our place value chart. It really helps. If you place each digit of your number in the right place value, it is easy to stay organized. However, if the place value chart isn't your friend, you can still do it. The trick to work with decimal numbers is placing the decimal point correctly. Why? Because after we have the decimal point down, all we have to do is copy the digits of the numbers without leaving any space between the digits. Why not? Because that will change the value of the numbers. For example, $60.25 is not the same as $6.25. Right now, we see this mistake, but it's easy to miss if you are not paying close attention. Once we have written down the first decimal number, we need to align everything else. Start with the decimal point, and then fill in the rest of the digits. Voila! However, if you want to use a place value chart, it is very easy. Simply write down a place value chart and fill in the rest of your numbers. The end result is the same. I personally like to add zeros or placeholders to help me with the alignment. Lastly, we need one more piece of information to solve the problems from the introduction. When working with decimals, adding, subtracting, comparing, or ordering, we need to align them up by the decimal point, as we just learned how to do. Let's now try the problem from earlier with all our tools on hand. What is 3.24 plus 56.1? Or, better saying, 3 and 24 hundredths plus 56 and 1/10. First, write the first number, 3.24, or 3 and 24 hundredths. Now, align the decimal points of these two numbers. Okay, we have the numbers aligned and in the right place. Add zeros as a placeholders. We can use a place value chart to help us with this, so we don't leave any blank space. Now, we only need to add them, and of course, the result is not 8.85, is 59.34 or 59 and 34 hundredths. Easy, right? Let's try another to be sure we tackle this. What is 98.7 minus 6.54? Or better say, 98 and 7/10 minus 6 and 54 hundredths. First, set the first number, 98.7. Now, align the decimal point. Remember that when we subtract, the biggest number goes on top. Now that we have the decimal points aligned, fill in the numbers, add the zeros or placeholder, and solve it. We'll do another video about subtraction if you need help with that. And for sure, we'll do another video on comparing and ordering decimals. How do you feel now about working with decimal numbers? Better? That's great. Now remember that practice makes perfect. Comment down below if you want us to do a specific video or if you need clarification on anything. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, and turn the notifications on. Check the description for very good materials and keep watching our videos and practice. Bye.